so cringe. How's it, guys? So what's up? Yeah, no, that's cringe, bro. So we're back here in Ricardo's garage. We've got another project we're working on. It's headlights for a friend's car. We basically done it one headlight. We just have to polish it in the smaller areas a bit more, and then now I'm gonna start with sanding the other lens and then doing the polish, and then from there just putting it back together and then adding the little treats to it, and then hopefully it comes out nice, you know. But that's basically what's gonna happen today, and then yeah, I'm sure we'll show you progression as we go along. How do you stop listening? Stay hydrated, kids. Drink water. Drink a lot of water. And just a fun tip, when you're working with lights and anything, cut away from yourself, not towards yourself, because you'll end up having stitches like Ricardo over here. Don't think before you do stuff.
Alright, so as Jordan said, we started with the lights. We're currently busy with them. I'm currently working on the polishing now. You can see we started polishing this side of the lens. It's not too bad. The inside of the lens is actually a little bit messy. It's a bit difficult to see from this angle, but we're working on it. We might have to polish the inside of the lens, but I'll see how it looks when we're done, because the black inserts, you might not see it. We still need to do this side, but this is a really nice, depiction. You can see the difference between the non-polished and the non-polished and the polished side. Polish is doing wonders. I've still got a Maguire's polish that I want to hit it with. And we're back. Sorry about that. Battery died. Okay, so I was just saying there's a really nice, you can see the difference between the polished and non-polished over there quite nicely. I'm going to carry on polishing, and I'm also really happy with how this corner is coming up, because this was quite a problem one on that lens that I've got down there. So yeah, I'm going to turn this around, try and hit the top side, and then the last is going to be a pass down the bottom side. So we're going to finish that one.
Okay, so we've a little bit of an update on the project. We've cleaned, we've polished and sanded the headlight. Yeah, the headlights, they came out nicely. We've taken them apart. We must just paint the inners again. We've test fitted the DRLs, and then from there, once we've painted it and then mounted them, we're gonna put them back together, and then we should be done.
So what is going on about is, as you can see here, we've got the DRLs. They actually fit perfectly between the lens and that. So what we're going to do is we're going to mount it over here. We're going to mount them right here. Oh, yeah, We're going to mount it right on this corner here, mount it over here, and then maybe a bit on there, the adhesive, and around this bend over here. At the moment it sits really well, and the DRL is shining like really great. So I got a clip with my phone, but I might get another clip. I'll get a clip when it's done. The only thing is, like Jordan said, we need to paint this one more time, just its last coat. I just painted it so we could get a rough idea on how we're working with it. And then we just need to trim the corner of this so that it tucks into that little hooky there, so it looks a lot more flush. I want that nice clean look. And it's got a double-sided adhesive over here. These are flowing DRLs, so when he indicates and whatnot, it's going to flow.